Alam niyo ba, wala talaga kaming plan itinerary for this Bukidnon trip. First time na mag-DIY pero grabe ang saya pala. We arrived at Laguindingan Airport by 8:40 PM, then we took a van papuntang CDO proper for only 199 pesos. Binaba kami mismo sa hotel and around 11:15 PM na kami nakarating. We booked 2 nights here in Bridge Hotel Express via Agoda, which is located sa city center, malapit sa mga kainan, malls, and tourist spots. Nag-dinner lang kami saglit, then pahinga na for tomorrow. Since day 1 is chill day, dito lang kami sa CDO muna, and we had our lunch at Corum Restaurant. Sarap naman yung food with a good view and lahat bagong luto. Dito na rin kami nagplan ng itinerary for the rest of our trip. Onting sightseeing lang after kumain and mandatory outfit check. We took a grab papuntang Amaya View, 300 pesos all day access na. Most activities here hanggang 5 PM lang, kaya mas maganda if maaga kayo pupunta. Dito kami nagtagal sa famous glass hanging bridge para mag-picture. Currently, under renovation yung Noah's Ark, kaya sa Noah's Aviary lang kami nakapasok.
Magbawa!
Parang adventure park pala tong Laris Hill. Paintball lang yung na-try namin kasi sarado na yung iba. 300 pesos per 30 bullets, tapos nag-share na lang kami.
May kalaban!
After that, nag-ikot-ikot lang, then dinner dito sa Harper's Bistro. The best yung grilled pork nila, ang lambot and ang sarap ng sauce. Since 9 PM na, wala na kaming mabook na grab kasi medyo malayo sa city tong Amaya, kaya hinatid na kami ng commuter's van for 250 pesos per person. So that's it for day 1. See you in part 2 in Bukidnon.